Today we're going to be making a balloon rocket, and the items that you need are a balloon, a straw, some string. I used the chip clip because I was trying to find items that you might have around your house. You can use a clothespin, scissors, and tape. Okay, so we blew up our balloon and I twisted it a little bit and put the chip clip on. Okay, so we attached the balloon to the straw and we have our string going across the room. Now we're going to try it. I've never done this before. This is the experiment. Ready?
Whoa, 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 whoa!
So it worked, right?
Can I
That
try?
was awesome.
Can I try? Can I try? Can I try?
Sure. Go ahead. Woo! So maybe we should do it across the whole house.
That would be a great idea!
Maybe we should do that.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Here. Undo it.
Ah!
Oh, it almost made it. Almost to
It
the
needs
end.
to- Yes, 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 yes! Ah! You gonna do it?
It made it.